Off that music. Off that music. Let's start. Off that music. Let's start. Okay, so I say I'm going to read this passage. I will ask you questions and you will answer it. Okay. Itabo is the name of a drum in my village called Ibamba. What is the name of the drum?
Itabam.
Itambo. Itambo. Say Itambo.
Itambo.
What is the name of the village?
Ibamba.
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 Okay. What is the name of the drum?
Itabo.
Good. What is the name of the drum?
Itabo.
Salume, stop pressing your phone in class. Leave my class. In fact, kneel down. Keep that one, kneel down. You're pressing. The teacher is teaching. And you're there manipulating your phone. Eh? Come and kneel down. Kneel down like this. Come and kneel down. You will leave my class if you press your phone again. Keep your phone down. Your mother bought you Android phone in class 1. Keep that phone down. Okay. Let's continue. Salume, you are a distraction. What is the name of that drum? What is the name of the drum? So, you know how to manipulate your phone. You don't know how to answer. Okay. Who knows the name of the drum?
Me.
Yes.
Itabo.
Good girl. Clap for her. Okay, let's continue. Very few people have ever heard its sound. What most people know are only descriptions of it from those who have lived long enough to have heard it before. It is a scale drum that is used to announce the death of the king. So that drum is only used when they want to announce the death of a king. So whenever I hear that drum is a scale drum. When you hear the drum, know that there is danger. Eh? So the drum is used when you hear the drum, you know that a king is dead and they want to announce the death of a king. Eh? So when is the drum used? Yes?
When the king is dead.
Okay, when they want to announce the death of a king. Good girl. Alright, it has a specific time that it can be sounded either at midday or at midnight. So they sound the drum only when it's at midday or at midnight. So in the night when people are sleeping, that is when they sound the drum. Or during the day like this, at midday. Say midday.
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 Say midnight.
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 Yeah, so during the day like this, midday like this, that's when they sound the drum. Or at midnight when people are sleeping, that is when you hear the drum.
Yes.
Okay. I hope people are listening very well.
Yes, madam.
Only 2 people in my village have heard the sound twice. They are about 120 years old now. It says that elders who beat the drum have special powers. So the people that beat the drum, these are people that have special powers. And those are the people that during the midday or at midnight, these are the people that beat the drum.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the sound it produces is so loud and frightful. So when you hear the sound like that, it's just like in our village we have what we call ngumba. Ngumba. When you hear ngumba in the village, that's how you are trembling. That's how you are so afraid. Eh? Yes. So it's just like that. Okay. And it can go as far as over 100 kilometers. This special drum was completed in 7 years by 77 people. Listen, because I'm going to ask a question here. This drum was completed by 77 people. Say 77 people.
77 people.
In 7 years.
In 7 years.
77 people in 7 years.
77 people in 7 years.
How many people completed the drum? If you know it, put your hand up. Yes.
77 people.
Clap for yourself. Yes. How many years did they take to complete the drum? You.
7.
Clap for her. That's good. That's good. It means you are listening. Not like my fellow.
I'm going to meet you now.
Okay. Not like my fellow colleague here. This one,
Okay.
she has been dismissed. She was pressing her phone in class. So I had to dismiss her. I asked her to kneel down, but she refused. So I dismissed her from my class. So let her go and be making her achu for her equang. She said she likes equang. Okay. It was carried to the chief's palace by 300 strong men. So this drum, it means that this drum is so heavy. Imagine that 300 men carry this drum. It means that it's heavy drum now. It means that one person cannot carry, two people cannot carry. 300 men. How many men?
300 men.
And not only men, no, strong men. So it's not any kind of man that carry the drum. 300 strong men carried the drum to the palace because the drum was so heavy. Okay. The person who takes care of it is always given 7 large goats every end of year. So there's a particular person that is taking care of this drum. When they finish beating the drum, they'll go and keep the drum like this. And then there's a particular person that will be taking care of the drum, making sure that the drum is okay, making sure that nobody comes beside the drum, making sure that the drum is not destroyed. The drum should be in good shape. And now, when this person is taking care of this drum, they give the person, at the end of every year, they give the person 7 goats. 7 goats. You know what goats are now? Yes. They will give the person 7 large, not only 7 goats, very large goats. They will give the person that, take, you have been taking care of our goods. So take these 7 goats, go and kill it, and celebrate with your family. That's it. So that is the story. Let me explain the story to you again so that you will hear. I'll ask you questions. Okay?
Yes, madam.
So there is a drum in a particular village, and the name of the drum is Itabo. And the name of this village is Ibam. Okay, so very few people, not everybody in the village have heard of the sound of the drum. Only few people have heard of it. And anytime they want to beat this drum, is when a king is dead. When a king dies, that's when they hear of the drum. That's when the drum is being beaten. So it's only at midnight. They beat the drum at midnight or midday. Midnight or midday. So they only beat the drum at what time? Midnight or midday. Okay. So now they only beat the drum midnight or midday. And why would they beat the drum? Only when
A king is dead.
yes. So when the king is dead, that is when they beat the drum. So anytime you hear of this drum, you are trembling. Oh, that drum. Oh, who is dead now? You know that there is a terrible news coming. It's very scary. That kind of drum. You know, because whenever I hear that kind of drum, you know that there is something terrible has happened. Okay. So now, only 2 people in my village have only 2 people. 2 people have heard of that drum. Only 2 people have heard of the sound of the drum. In the whole Ibambam village, only 2 people have heard of the sound of the drum. And then it said loud and powerful, and it can go as far as 100 kilometers. This special drum was completed in 7 years by 77 people. This drum was being completed. That's 7 people. 77 people made this drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 77 people that came together and made this drum for 7 years. Imagine 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, the 6 years, 7 years that they used to make that drum. So you can imagine how the drum is. And the drum is very heavy, completed by 77 people. Are you understanding?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so the drum now, when these 77 people made this drum, 300 men now carried this drum to the palace. 300 strong men. Because when they made the drum like that, it was very, very heavy now. So they called for 300 strong men who came now and carried the drum now to the palace. And now when they now carry the drum to the palace, anybody that is taking care of this drum, like, okay, maybe this is the drum now. Let's say this is the drum. So if I'm the person that is taking care of it, I will now be guarding the drum. I will now be taking care of the drum. At the end of the year now, they will come and give me 7 goats. 7 goats. I'll go and celebrate. I'll go and cook it with my family. That's how I'm enjoying. That's how I'm enjoying. People in the village will be looking at me. Say, I say, no. I was taking care of the drum. Where were people were there playing tabala? Me, I was taking care of the drum. I and my family want to enjoy our goats. Enjoy our goat. That's how they enjoy the goats. Eh? At the end of every year, they give this person 7 goats. Large goat, right?